So we will start with 7.1, find part of a group. Please everyone turn to page number 421.
I opened it.
Very good. Now girls, first thing, if I told you you got 8 out of 10 in your math, so 8 is the part and 10 is the whole. You must remember this, okay? Now, they say that Maya collects stamps. Girls. Maya collects stamps. She has 20 stamps in her collection. How much is the total, girls? 20. 4/5. How do you write 4/5? You write it 4/5. You call them 4/5. You don't say 4/5. You say 4. And this 5, you say 5ths, THS. I think Miss Susan have explained you before that this is told as THS. 4/5, okay? 4/5 of 20. What does that mean? Page number 421. Okay, so 4/5 of 20. I have my math board. I put 20. I put 20 here on my board. Can you see? 1, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, like that. 4/5 of 20. Each group have 4.
Miss, your sound keeps cutting off. Like we can hear you and then I can't.
Glitching my, okay, wait a minute, lacking, wait a minute. Give me a moment. I will just change my connection and come back.
Hi. 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 I'm sad. We didn't go yesterday.
Yeah, right.
Why are you sad?
Because
we were going to go to Ritzy, all of us, and then Corona came.
What, really? You all decided to meet there?
Go together to the Red Sea Mall, and
You all,
Corona said,
all did not invited me. Oh. Anyway, but this thing, it's closed again. We are not allowed to dine in there.
Yeah, we can't.
I
went to the supermarket yesterday in Red Sea Mall.
Yes.
And I didn't go together.
Yeah, even
Dada, you should have made it the Saturday before.
avoid supermarket also. Anyways, let us continue.
Yeah, I wish.
There are 20. So there are many things you can make 20. You can make, they said 5 groups out of 4. 5 groups with 4 each. Since you want to find 4/5 of the stamps, you arrange 20 counters in 5 equal groups. Because it is 4/5. How much is the total? Total is 5 and 4 is the part. So that's why they are saying, because in the denominator you have 5, better you make 5 groups and draw 4 groups, 4 counters in each group. Again, you will make 5 groups and you will put 4 counters in each group. That means that is 4 out of 5. Each group, if I say, what is it called? It is called 1/5. Am I correct?
Miss, do we draw the circle?
Yes, you will draw all this. You will draw the counters. We say counters when you're talking in math. You will draw 4 counters in each group. First, you have 5 groups, and in each group you have 4 counters. And one group I can call as 1/5 because there are 5 groups. Now, how many groups did you circle, girls?
4.
Yeah, why did you circle 4 groups? See, there are 5 groups. In that I am, oof, oh, 1 second, girls, I'm sorry, my kid, he fell down. So 5 out of 5, I have to circle 4 groups. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, and fifth group. In that, I will just make a circle. This means this is 4 out of 5. So in 4 group, how many counters are there, girls? In 4 groups, how many counters are there?
What do you want to play, Cup?
If you
want to play?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, you have 68 counters.
Mariana, you're on unmute.
If you count, see, 4 out of 5 groups have how many counters? 4 groups out of 5 groups have how many counters? These 4 groups have how many counters if you count? You have 16 counters.
Miss Page, what?
It's page
421.
Done, girls? Did you all complete?
Yes.
No, I didn't. Yes, yes.
Page 420. I cannot wait more than this. You know that I...
Wait. Okay, Talia.
Tala, you're late. And then you need the whole class to wait for you. It's okay. Put later by watching my video. My videos are there on the website.
Okay, done.
Come here. Now it is 2/3, girls. 2/3 means how many groups you will make? If I say 2/3, it's not important to make those cross. You can make the squares. You can make counters. 2/3. That means you must make total 3 groups. First group. Yeah, first group, second group, and third group. That's why they made 3 groups. And each group has 12 means 3 times 4. 4 stamps. Each group has 4 stamps. You ask me, teacher, how do I know it's 4? Because they wrote a 12 here. And there are 3 groups. So 3 times what give me 12? 4. That's why each group will have 4. I made 4 stamps in each group. And then how many? 2 out of 3 groups. 2, they asked you 2 out of 3 groups. So in 2 groups, how many are there? 4 plus 4? Your answer is 8. Once again, I'm going to explain.
Do you write this all?
You're just filling up this. For the explanation I told you, when I said 2/3, that means how many groups are there? 3 groups. 1, 2, 2, 1.
How do we do the lesson thing?
My dear, listen to me. In the question here, they say 2/3 of 12 stamps. So 3 groups. I make 3 groups. It's written that 12 stamps. 3 times what give me 12? 3 times 4. So 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 groups. 1 group, second group, third group. That's why 3 groups. In that, I want to know From 2 groups, how many stamps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the answer. Actually, girls, there is one very easy way. Okay, if I say you
Oh, okay.
3 of 12. Of 12 means times 12. Okay. 2 over 3 times 12. How do you do this? 3 times 1 and 3 times 4. Multiply the numerator. The answer is 8. This is the best, easiest way.
Miss, I don't get it.
See,
I didn't understand.
listen to me. This method, I will explain you in the next lesson. 2/3 of 12 means multiply 12. Then simplify the numerator and denominator. 3 and 12. 3 and 12. When I divide, what do you get? 12 over 3.
4.
That's 4. Then what is left? 2 times 4 is left.
Miss,
Numerator
Taib, how did you get the 1?
Where here? See,
Yeah.
I'm dividing both by 3. When I divide 12 by 3 and 3 by 3, so I get the best way.
1.
So 1. The best way I used to do is
Okay.
3 times, what gives me 3? 1.
Miss, do we write that you wrote?
You can write this. This is something optional. Not necessary. You can do this.
I wrote it.
Can I go further?
No. Yes. Yes. No. Miss, do we write the X's?
Your wish. This is important because you need to say that each row has 4 and there are 3 rows.
Miss, so there are 8 stamps with a picture
Yes.
of Queen Elizabeth II. So we write 8 in the last one. So there are, okay.
This, you don't need to write it. Leave the last part also, leave this part. We'll quickly do to the other. Or just write 12 and 4, later you will draw it. Write 12 and 4. You have to show 4 groups. In each group you have 4. Here goes. 7 over 8. 7 over 8 of 16. If I do my method, simple. 7 and 8, 16. 16 and 8, I must divide with 8. So 8 times 1 and 8 times 2. Either this way you can go with, either this way. 8 times 1 and 8 times 2. Your answer is 2 times 7. That is 14. Or this is the way we are following in this lesson. 8 means 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 means 8 times 2 equals 16. That's why each group will have 2 counters. Okay, and in that 7. So we'll remove 2. In 7 groups, how many are there? In 7 groups, how many are there? Less than 2. 14 is the answer.
Miss, what is this thing? Wait. This.
Where?
The one that you just wrote with pink, but now you erased it.
It is 7 times 8. 16 means 8 times 1 and 8 times 2. So we have 7 times 2, that is 16. Or others who don't understand this part, just 8.
Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. It was a mistake.
8 means draw 8 groups. Okay, 8 groups, and then you have to, in each group 2, because 8 times 2 is 16, and then See, how many rows of counter are there? There are 8 rows of counter. How many counters in each row? 2. Circle 7 rows. I circle 7 rows. In 7, we have 14 counters. Done?
Miss, so that means like
See, I will do this and show you once. Wait a minute. See.
Miss, can I do this one so I can like
1 minute. There are 3 groups. So let me just make 3 lines. 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And you have 18. 3 times what gives you 18? You have 18.
3 times 6.
Yes. So this 6, either I will draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So 6 in every row 3 times.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's basically just like kind of like dividing,
4,
basically
5,
you can
6.
say.
Yes. Now see, but they ask you how many groups? Did they ask you how many out of 3? How many groups they asked you? They asked you only 2 groups.
2.
So I will.
So we circle 2 groups.
I will do 2 groups and then count them. How many are there? I'm sorry, girls. I don't know why is he shouting. Oof.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's okay.
By your own here.
Yes, I did.
Now see, we have 2 over 5. That means
Miss, what is this number?
6, 6.
Oh, okay.
You know, just check 5 and 15. 5 times 3. That means I have 3. You can draw anything. I'll draw counters here. 1, 2, 3. And 5 groups. 1, 2, 3. 1. Second group. Third group. Fourth group. And 5 group. Okay, I have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have all 15. In that, how many groups did they ask you? They asked you 2 groups only. So there are 6. Here they asked 3 groups.
Yes, but why did we put 3 in every one of them?
Because total.
Oh, 15 multiplied by what's good? Okay.
Okay, now here 3 multiplied by what gives you 6? 2. So in each group?
2.
And then how many groups I need to circle? 2 groups. So my answer is 4.
Groups.
Understand? Did you get it? Shall I erase?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Let us come here. Okay. 8 times what gives you 24? First tell me that. Because we have 8 and 24. Let us write that. 8.
4.
3 gives me 24. So in each group, it will be 3. And how many groups are there? Oh my God, 5 groups are there. It's a big one. Okay.
Okay. So how are we going to get it in the exam?
Of course, they never ask you to draw in the exam.
1, 2, 3. But like, how are we going to do it? Like, just without drawing?
Yes. You will do the in your rough and write the answer.
Okay.
4, 5.
Sorry about my circles. My counters are weird.
Miss, how many? There's so many.
Yeah. Where will I draw them more?
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
I don't have also.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups I made. In that,
Oh my gosh.
I need 5 groups. So I will take those 5 groups. This is 5 groups. And now I have 15.
Okay.
Here.
Miss, do we take 5?
Yes, 5 groups.
Yeah.
Now here we have total 4 groups. In each I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again. Four groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the denominator, I have 4. I've made 4 groups. In that, I need how many? In the numerator, 3. So I will just take the third 3 groups. And if I count, this is 18.
Miss, how many groups did you do?
Miss, but what do we do with the denominator?
With the denominator, you know how many groups are there. 1 group, second group, third group, and fourth group.
Oh,
4.
so like basically 3 multiplied by what gives you 18 is the number that we put in a row. And then the denominator, how many lines from them do we need?
See, you will check. 18 is already given. You will check 7 and 21, the denominator with the total. 7 times what gives me 21? Like this, I'm checking. How much? 3. That means I need to make 1, 2, 3. How many groups like that? 7 groups. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. In that, I need 4 groups. So let me just take 4 of them. And I have 12. Okay?
Miss, I didn't finish.
It's okay. You just have 1 minute. Now see, this time
Miss, can we leave if we finish?
they gave you the question here and they ask you what to write. So see, in each group, how many are there? 3. And how many groups are there? There are 3 groups. In the denominator, 3 groups. They shaded 2 groups. So I will just put in the numerator 2. And total, how many are there? 9. So I put times and 9. This gives you very clear picture. How many groups? How many groups, girls? See here. Yeah, there are 3 groups. 1, 2, and 3. So I wrote 3 down. In that, I will check how many groups they took. They took groups. And total, how many counters are there? 9. This is my answer.
Oh, okay.
And if they ask you, they did not ask us. If they ask you how many in there, 2 groups, that means 6.
Okay.
Better? Did you understand a bit, at least 80%?
Yeah, I understand.
Alhamdulillah. All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now let me see who was absent in my class today. I think Haifa did not come. Haifa is not here. Girls, may I leave now?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.